today's episode is all about getting ready for the summer, and what better way than replacing disc blades and bearings on the Old Crustbuster Disk. Oh yeah. Let's get inside, help these old timers out, give them a little bit of muscle, razzle dazzle. Just any blade with an X.
First four. Yeah, first four.
Now spacer.
Now get started over there like this. Good this way. The small end goes on first. Okay.
Didn't know my own scratch.
And I have an X blade.
Good thing I worked out this morning.
Now, are you ready for bearing? Oh, yeah, I think we're ready for bearing. Yeah. I think you're right. You want the other one on first? What? The long? The way we've got it laying there. Yeah. You got the long part. Big hub in first. Long hub in first. Not the way we have them laying here. Look at your picture. I don't care about that one. That's the way we're laying with this and then that. I think it's a long hub first.
I think it is too.
I think they're all that way we've got to go because that's bigger than the small one to the other one, isn't it? So you got to put the small end on first. I think so.
Put your back into it. Say hello to my little friend. Oh, yeah. All right, everybody ready? Oh. One down, one to go. Now we know what we're doing. Yeah.
We're gonna put them on first or last.
I will say, it comes off a lot easier when it goes on. Fairly good bolt. I already did that for you. I already took that off. I took that off for you. Thank you. We just finished some lunch. It's pretty good. I'm pretty full. I don't want to work. I just want to take a nap. Let's get back out to the shop, get that last back gang put back together.
That's right, the big one's all good. The big ones fit on this side.
All right, ready?
Yep.
It's going.
Yeah, it's starting to look bad.
It's not like this is light.
You got a big tool there, dude.
That's why I have back problems. All I have is big tools. Are you gonna make a career out of that thing or what?
Trying to.
Good gravy.
Still don't know why that other one didn't butt up as good as this one. It's tight. So
Yeah, it ain't coming apart. Don't worry, I'll just hold this thing. Oh my gosh. I don't think anybody messed with it from the last disc that we did.
Yeah, but it's a different size now.
Okay. I'm gonna put this thing down. Don't worry, I'll just hold it right here.
You going the right way?
Okay.
Do it.
That's done. Everybody kept all their fingers and their toes. If Larry gets the tractor started, we're going to put the disc gang back underneath the disc. It's usually cold-blooded. Oh, he about had it. Don't weaken. There we go, boys. Cold start, 606. That looks good. Nobody lost any fingers, nobody lost any toes, nobody went to the ER today, so it was a good day. Well, that's gonna do it for today's episode of putting those discs back together. Holy cow, that's heavier than what it looks. And I even worked out this morning, so my muscles are a little bit shot. Coming up in the next couple weeks, the old 1680 combine here, we're gonna have to pull off the feeder house, pull out the rotor, rebalance it, put new rasp bars on it, go through all of this, make sure it's all nice and pretty, running sound and smooth. If you guys have any pointers or tips on that, I've never personally pulled the rotor out of a combine. So that's gonna be a fun episode to shoot. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.